esukari kurwa seche company au obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwa seche company au amajani kurwa seche company ya Keteba echumbi ya Kensalt egati bintu binde binge bwigo mkonya bali chirangiche company ya Crown asibego bakonya amabati kurwa seche company ya MRM aywale ayechi size au nabego ni chirangi au mkonya bali black sheets egati bintu binde binge inyura nka mbamwa tobokoreri obu yabunabono uyabo bosombi gose transportation mbamwa tobokoreri wa forklift asibego bokoreri wa which customer care buri obu ibirengo bigoro to tigara magega agirira rero bwikumbolere ibintu biga aseri guriria mu buko asamange totalere asinsemo cha oru complex eyirangi na magacho Safaricom wigo no tukutuka sakro ku JM Towers angena credit bank ime yomuchi wosongo bakere simgwe transact number chabo 0111 161 500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Wairevia na inde umwancho murigireri wa Getembe TV kero chiaragire Chinsa chia Ekeonga maragoba yabona Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi karibu sana sinchira iri yabene iri teria nenkuru kwa Matildah Obaigwa nyoboke vene kurasensemo yebe manyerere karanseke tunyaro komanya sinchira iri yabene mambe ya rero nigo ya visi yo mubunge obonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke bono bakurawa no mu manager Thomas Nyakundi wanyaro talira chiamate echo chanyolete ogwakwa kubatukana no goitwa kusogosira kwa bana abanyaroka bake grade ba PP2 chinga kicho nigo bono banyara kwena no gosira kwendagira nabo igokoligereria mirobelyo ya matanga inga kibagi kirie ekore kyo kyo goitwa kwa bana abo nabo igokunererwa kwabo ase batebruna oboene bunyara gutoka bwicha maticho anamona sokwimukirwa egetambukiro bari baratoke na momocho yoko baita abanabo
koroka fanasi ya chotonderi ama assistant chief kwa sublocation ya Makombi yerembe ya Morinda asage koro yobo saria kwa kanantamo especially abana bakebe miaka ene ko iketano oyondo omoyo mabwate miaka ene yonde miaka 5 ya baite twe na abantu batamanyikaniti ekenega kore kebe ekiagara abana abantu abakaniti babo mambya
Thomas Nyakundi nincho mumana cha obonjari nigo tuachira asobororo bonene okuona linga nelinga nalibe lyakorekanire bonjari likoreta engenchembe kororekana bonjari nigo togoteba nga bono ekiagara linga neri lyabeire Provision mujumbo ito obonchari
linga neri lyachete ligatenenia echiro yasunika yonsi ekero twanyoreta linga nango abana babere baitirwe na okorerwe kebeki obosoku buna abangina ko twibwete bobesana nande nda yeito yeyete oseba na abangina ngo gikeri moregente ekyo
twachakwa ne apo yomujumbe nande na tutuma na gitoro geke asenge jogo cha kirobogima ase bisinyo ase chifamily chibere igo mujumbe narwa pore nene nande na chacha bieka nande ngo saba abantu bamitoto babatoereru nanda mangana uchunguzi ekoruye kene
mo babatoereru obo maene mbo manyekane na inde step ne beteken kondo bwensu gwatege karanga likebe munekeiga atige ekiagara mbuya gukora maya kugwa mago gukora mabe onde ora nyorekane na abwatwe na kwaegwa ichi komuna ligoteba
insemo yabamenye kurase bunge ya Burabu ime county ya Nyamira nigo besokire na kugikiria ho gutume kwa bobe kwa basaya so gwakana na bwo koreta chiburaburu na bwo kwikirania bikorwa bitarie biya na bana siasa bakora negitasene kiganigo igatia bo basangire birengererio na kwerabuna nere biya basaya konyorero amaboga yemerebo asechi avisi au chabarai kubwa gwakana kugenda gwikirania obosalia na bwo ensemo ya basaya bakuburabuna banyare gwituma gose banyare kokora kindi gyonsi kirige konyarekana elinde gokeya ebikorwa byobusaria
ento keria na ntwa bagusi ngego toretera bichangia yo to saba bagusi baito astwa beta ntwa ntio morembe mo special mo gusi kurukano mo tosikire mwanya gitinge to saba mangana ta sokora kana kabere anda bali ba gosite basaba mabera egere na lyo musito ranya gusikwa musiku kana tosikire otiona bantaba bera to ba kana bataka gosarira musirieta yo to saba mangana aria to yarageri mono na ndita sikuiranira ntokane chiko chobo cha riboro mutu baba bwo morembe bwa maskani anto bateberani egere wetera sawa teberani chikura cha kubya because kilo munaga ntumenye nseye nyasa tata yeti bantu baitu osunya no yomo osamanyinga itugwe nyasa ga tungita bantu bonse banchane or before the eyes of the road we are equal so ne kyo to sabanga omorembe no rendo kyo kera gerto menye nseye ya Kenya na ndetu wanchane na tusikane tusabira namaya obutukuno mugaso egere ensi yetu twaro morembe turagire ntoragera mbia na tutwaro inchara lakini tutwaro morembe eto tenga bantu bali bagotenga kuna warara hoi na warara hai warara hoi ndio vijana wetu wanatumika vibaya wanapewa shilingi 50 shillings wanakuja wanaribu mikutano towards the end of the day they are suffering lakini tulituma pia wanasiasa wetu pari ya parliament wasaidie vijana wetu watengeneza uchumi economy ili vijana wetu wapate ajira mzuri ili wapate kitu waweke kwa meza
mna nchomo sae na tena kubule singencho nindo chama ebintu to gwetira manto basae egasi ito no gwakeli ogi akare to akeli ogi to aguti 200 and then ega bagasoime ega simba bakora into mbago this mean that let us unite as youths na banta banne go ikamonya ko mo gotobwati na gotosira inche bono egasi jubiri ikosawa ego tieto bwatirane matengiste 6 abantu minto tieto bwatisi totwale voice akatwa to monto minto goturwanira ime nona magendera gagocha na intuna bagusie to gosikugo abantu minto gosie stwabeta let us have one voice around it tonyale kuba to kubwata chikura sobonge na litura chiko twara none voice una ntoba gusie una ntoba agency una ntoba saba keto kineli into cha to go vote
abamenye bagutumekie para ya korwa Nyamira National Polytechnic ochinsemo cha Keburinga na bago yacha basoka chinsemo cha Getai meyo wodi etivo inse yobraivo mo MCA Lamekisiko ya enana ni gobono banyale kugokera korosigwa wepare yokora serikali ye county na chinga kiechwe kera babore na mbali geti koroserwa chipara chinde chinyinge chire inse yobraivo na chinga kiechwe nigo mo MCA Lamekisiko ya anyara kubora nerebu y'abantu kulinda chipara na kubwa mono gutaticha amakarabati nabo yokobeka egoto para chingaki chipara chenyarira korosiwa
obugambi bwakurumaga bwarenge kobapagwa lakini bono nje natebirena obugambi bwane nkobeka kero omuntu erinde tobamo erinde tokore gasi asobwamo epara tokorosi egochaka kuruke burunga ya cha institute ya chamba kaga abwo muislamu astokoro KIC asenge njokero kurigeria abana inji bonsi barega obono bwari bwepara gose para terakora kende
Amarieta nege Daniel Momanyi anje gwerari bageri koiranira mheshimiwa Ramek mheshimiwa we ward ya Itibombi ya mwana asenge njo watu tikiri pare twachandikira matuka mange epare ratokonye gweteri bimeri bito no chicha ngwetitro ebinte binge to gwetiororo abana baito no gwetera ojizukuru ige pare ne tokonye mono sana samarieta nguru Kennedy ochicho yo kyanya kandi aninka ekende kenyoru gyaito mugambie nana koje twati twatori bobesana ngayana ya cheta makori konyara bira matombe umuntu agochikuhete gari yakwama no murwira arware butuko murai ukusinyo so kumwira nyagetari lakini asa macha boya gwakorire konya twakorengere tukurucie kipindi eke lakini bono gukwira ni tuli
osari koje tukurucia barage de gurubaro baka katwa ike para ruguru Nyamiranga twamenya komuire nyagetari twakire ngambu ya moroge to bekwo bagambi bango mushimi wa bono twende okorerbo
naitwa Edina Mokamura Victor Ndieki. Nasema asante na shukrani sana. Maendeleo mnaendelea kuleta kwa kijiji yetu hapa Nyamiranga. Tunasema asante. Tangu asubuhi niliamuka nimeona marodi mingi ikitaramuka kwa hii barabara ya kwenda institute, na nasema hiyo mkono na hiyo kazi mnafanya mwende kutimiza kabisa.
Asa Maria tangoro kusara nyauma tigangire libageri koyo nelio mogambie na ngambi ya mono ase bare atorose iko yeta ikotira gochirogoro mogambi nale gugusaba aso gwanja kwao amabera umbu ya mono ase nginjo gwacho gotororere bara ya kwarosirie ebara nere tigarete alimate ekoende skuru bakanyagita muino omugambi nero nye inyoronye kore kero gokoreranie.
Wakili mensi ya Kenya anene muno baria gwetira kiombe kia Law Society of Kenya kia LSK bakora no president obo nigo bakorire ogorobekana ko murembe korwa ase ikigambiro kia milimani meyo mucho Nairobi nabo igotara ase Chinsemo una enchiremo yokobora buna oboene bwa bancho babo abo wakili abo banyare gusiria mugimabo ase Chinchira chobotutukano gusegwetira aso goitwa asobororo mono oboene bwabo bunyare gotoka egati yabo wakili abo Muthe Kariuki oyo nyare togotoka gaitire asenka yaye gotoka me county ya Machakos chitariki isano mutinyo iga ugatano na kabere umwako yoiga naboigo asense moyende bakumurera nere omawakili Esther Wairimo keige oyo nere onyarete gotoka gusomobero oyo nyara gotoka ase umugondo bwechikawa ime yechinsemo cha Juja county ya Kiambu chitariki isano nemo umutinyo yoiga magiga yokobora korwa umutinyo gatano na limo.
The Inspector General of Police has sent his regards. He is on an operation outside Nairobi County and he delegated the task of receiving our petition to one of his senior officers. We have presented the petition. We have expressed our concerns with the deaths of Esther, Edward, and even the unexplained death of Chalom Bobu, who was assassinated a few months ago. We have requested for robust investigations. We have requested for a high-level investigation team to be set up and LSK to be involved and to be kept updated of what is happening. We have asked for justice. We have asked for investigations of what has been happening at Kenya Forest Service, where there are concerns of public land being grabbed. We have indicated that the Law Society of Kenya is ready to assist at any stage. We will utilize all our legal and constitutional powers to go to court to summon anyone who has been involved in violations.
Na asensemo yende omwakili Faith Odhiambo negatia vanne nigo banyare ko bawakilisha kosiko wakilisha chiamate yete echo chasireti abancho babo kosibanyare to ko bagochererwa chitariki 25 mutinyo gatano onarimo chinga kibare kunyora ekegori gya genzi korengana nechi amatecho nigo bakwera buna abasaya abo nigo basogeteri tukerio bunenchire moyo kugenda gukoro kurobekana ko murembe kubarera aba mwabo bekegori gya genzi basireti amagimabo myaka ebere ya etire korinde tibachukoirana ase chinka chabo sebabolire butukibwa bwango korekana naboigo abancho abo gutoka.
At the height of being told that people are self-abducting, it is quite important to highlight this plight because people are going missing, people are being picked up, and their families are left stranded.
This cannot be normalized in this country, and we're seeing too many of them, and we're hearing things of people who are not involved in any wrongdoing being abducted and disappearing. And it's a shame when we hear from the state that they're saying that people are self-abducting, when we can clearly see families here are distraught.
Tumezunguka mochari, hajapatikana. Jana tumezunguka pia tukaenda kwake Githurai Mwihoko kijiji cha Kizito. tulienda na DCI, hakuna chochote walipata. Naomba muweze kunisaidia mtoto wangu aweze kurudi akiwa salama.
Kitoka nje nikirudi kwa nyumba watoto wananiuliza, mami, umepata daddy, umepata any information kuhusu where daddy is? Ajulikani. Nimeenda na DCI mpaka mali alikuwa ananyolewa, wakachukua mtu wa kinyozi akarecord statement akasema ndiye alichukuliwa hapa asubuhi, na watu wa DCI wakanitrakia simu wakasema simu yake ilizimwa at 8:44 am in the morning.
Na ase omurobere bwa serikali gusira abasaime yensi ya Kenya kwendereria na boigo chake obonchoreria omurobere onyota nikubono ase ntunda ya kabire serikali ijanyare kura meyega yokubwatoka chibese cyo sentunda ya kabire gochase abasae balia banyarite kwirikia na boigo konyora chibese cyo sentunda entangani murai wensi ya Kenya kakora omuyigo yomo yokorekana ase Ulinzi Sports Complex ekike utoka usigeti ekike utoka me ya Langata ase county ya Nairobi nikanyara gusanga negati ya basaya bange naboigo chinge kicho banyara gukwanira obuya bwa chibesa gusomurobelio onyota.
Kenya hoye! Never despise small beginnings. Today, that lesson is written not in theory, but in the lived experience of thousands of young Kenyans, many of them sitting here and many of them listening across the Republic of Kenya. Some dismissed the Nyota Enterprise Program. They said 25,000 could not change nothing. But facts have a way of outliving skepticism. Today, together with thousands of young entrepreneurs, we gather here in Nairobi and across 17 other regions of our republic, separated by distance but united by one purpose: to witness what becomes possible when opportunity is placed in the hands of determined young people.
I just got an idea in Kajiado where I could farm something that people that cannot eat meat can still enjoy. So I started a business in mushroom farming, edible oyster mushroom farming. And when I received my first capital, nilikuwa nishajenga structure, I got seeds, and I started branding, packaging in plastic containers, and I've been sending to Nairobi all the way from Kajiado.
Kapata the first disbursement. With that nikajiimprove because nilikuwa natoa picha zingine inakaya mtu aoni poa. Yaani unatoa picha lakini unaona hisi picha yako. So like I looked for a quality printer and then nika source for it. Though see best but it's at least, so hiyo 22,000 actually, because 3,000 lienda kwa savings nili utilize hapo kwa hiyo printer. And then nika come to realize that under printing, marketing still iko in it na it's paying good. So nikaamua to venture, still under the cyber business, to venture into marketing, printing, designing flyers and sort of thing. And
siasa chiae omuraibu kemagia DCP Moskeri Gachagua nigo agenderire kumuchi serikali ya Moske William Ruto sate buri muno terabage kwena no bosibole gochase abarai ana muno bari bakurigia ebirogo gusama baga yoburai asichinsemo nigate buri muno serikali agendere tukumura na gutumika chibese chinyinge asi obuchori oboke kwe constituency ya Kalau yogotoka ime ye county ya Nyandarua na boiga sate buri muno nigo aligetie kunereria ensemo yorogongo rwa Mount Kenya na boigo kwaneke burati baranyara kwenyorera omurai ore oyobo na boigo rete nenere.
President Uhuru Kenyatta had many issues with you, but he allowed you to campaign without violence. President Uhuru Kenyatta was a gentleman, a statesman. He allowed William Ruto to have his day, campaign freely without violence. But William Ruto cannot allow anybody to campaign without violence. He has declared war on the mountain. He has war against the business people. He has war against leaders. And violence is his tool of trade, intimidation. I want to ask him for once to be a gentleman. Please, William Ruto, why don't you face your former deputy on Thursday on the ballot? Tuheshimiane kwa debe. Because politicians are known by political weight. I don't have a guerrilla war outfit. Why are we fighting on a platform of violence? Hiyo tuachie polisi na criminals. Mimi na William Ruto ni wanasiasa. And the platform ya wanasiasa kupimana nguvu ni debe. Na kuuliza wewe ndugu yangu William Ruto, Uhuru Kenyatta never unleashed violence on you. For 5 years, he allowed you to campaign freely. Never a single day did he send goons to attack you. Not a single day did he assemble plainclothes police officers to assemble you. Why do you unleash violence against the people of the mountain who voted for you? These people, even if they are bad on you, be a decent person. Ukuwe na shukurani. At least they gave you their vote. Why do you send goons to humiliate them and injure them?
Ancho muligirira na uto no tugukorera Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi chao no muragoba kendera gutwara oburigiriri obia na bwigekere weekend yawe gochaka chake asinchira ere yobotoreru nchengoroka Matildah Obaigwa nyabokeveni korwase bimanyirire yuno ke atuti bakubwatirana nere Eugene Matogo korwase studio ya kabere kendera ko yerigirira Getembe TV Ekeonga kia Mwamogusi.
Eduka ya Uhuru Superstores yo gutoke meyo mu cy'obusongo nkonya bale ebintu buna bono mbabwate esukari kurwasa chi company ao obusi bw'ingano amavuta y'icingeni kurwasa chi company ao amajani kurwasa company ya Keteba echumbya